JPMorgan Chase Tower, located in downtown Houston, Texas, is a significant landmark and an iconic part of the city's skyline. Completed in 1982, the tower reaches a height of 1,002 feet, 305 meters, making it the tallest building in Houston and Texas. Additionally, it is the tallest five-sided building in the world. Originally named the Texas Commerce Tower, it was designed by the prominent architectural firm I.M. Pei and Partners, known for their modernist architectural style. The tower's design incorporates sleek steel and reflective glass, giving it a distinctive and contemporary appearance that stands out among Houston's other high-rise structures. The building features 75 floors of office space, primarily occupied by JPMorgan Chase's Houston operations, making it a central hub for business in the city. Its distinctive design includes a dramatic curved shape on one side, which contributes to its unique profile. JPMorgan Chase Tower also includes an observation deck on the 60th floor, offering panoramic views of Houston. This observation deck, although currently closed, has been a popular attraction, providing visitors with a breathtaking perspective of the city. The building's location in the heart of Houston's business district makes it a significant architectural and economic fixture in the area. With its impressive height and striking design, JPMorgan Chase Tower remains a symbol of Houston's growth and modernity.